We got my man Britton Fridge 60 2,400 pound American Badass pit rolling out shop today, guys. Now this is Britton's third or fourth TMG pit. He's got another one just like this, a couple little backyarders, and a big ass trailer we've been working on for a while. Y'all stay tuned to see the video on his trailer. We'll check out his Fridge 60 here. He did add the propane fryer up here, 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer. As you can see, it is on the off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires. We'll open up the smoke chamber here. Guys, I'm on Fridge 60 with the hot box is well over the capacity of a 500-gallon pit. You got 3 sliding trays in here. This is a reverse flow smoker, so we got 3 removable plates in here. You can pick those up out of there for easy cleaning. Directs the smoke all the way across the bottom, then back out of the stack. Stainless steel front shelf, that's a great upgrade. Still got your paper towel utensil holder down here. Come around to the hot box. Now on the Fridge 60, you do get an extra large hot box. So we got over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box. Now this does still run independent from the smoke chamber. You can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. And also get direct fire in there as well. Now on the firebox, we did them with a insulated firebox. You still got the fire management cradle in there. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. He also got the rear folding shelf in the back. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.